Welcome to a new episode of Learn Civil Engineering with Sindhu Nair. In this video, let's learn about steel reinforcement which we are using in RCC works. Concrete is good in compression but very weak in taking tensile load. Steel is very good in taking tensile loads and also has got more strength than concrete. So by adding steel to the concrete, the load carrying capacity of the structure increases. That's why we are using steel in the concrete. There are different types of steel available. High yield strength deformed bars. They have got high yield strength and they are commonly used in RCC works. HYSD bars have got ribs on the surface which gives good bonding with the concrete and hence are highly recommended for using in RCC works. In the picture you can see there are ribs on the surface of the steel. The second one is mild steel bars. Mild steel bars are plain bars. Since there are no ribs on the surface, it creates very weak bond with the concrete, so not recommended for RCC works. In the picture we can see the surface is plain, there is no ribs. Mild steel bars have got very less strength as compared to HYSD bars. The yield strength of mild steel bar is only 250 Newton per millimeter square, where that of HYSD bars varies from 500 to 550 Newton per millimeter square. Next one is TMT bars, that is thermomechanically treated bars. Thermomechanically treated bars are manufactured by passing hot rolled bar through cold water. TMT bars also have got ribs on their surface. When the hot rolled bar is passed through cold water, the surface of the steel becomes harder whereas the inner core remains soft. So the hard surface provides more ductility and the inner soft core provides more tensile strength. The next one is CRS bars, that is corrosion resistance bars, used in coastal areas, marine structures and tanks and locations which are more prone to corrosion. The next one is coated bars, that is steel bars coated with epoxy or polymer, used in areas which are more prone to corrosion. In this video, you have seen about the basics of steel reinforcement bars. The detailed use of steel reinforcement bar in concrete will be given in the subsequent videos. So please stay tuned for my next video. And if you like this video, please put the like button. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.